The Tricky Lion. In a large and beautiful forest, there lived an old lion. The old lion wanted to catch animals for food, but he no longer had enough strength. He thought again and again, "What can I do to get food? What should I do?" Suddenly, an evil idea came to his mind. He decided to pretend to be sick in order to trick other animals into coming close to him. He walked into a cave, lay down on the ground, and acted as if he were ill. Whenever other animals came to visit him, he would suddenly get up, catch them, and eat them. However, even so, he was still hungry. So he went under a large tree and cried out, "Oh no, I am going to die now. Please help me." A bird in the tree heard the lion's words and flew to tell the rabbit. The rabbit passed the message to the monkey, and the monkey told the pig. Later, the kind-hearted animals in the forest went to visit the sick lion. They even brought gifts with them. Day by day, there were fewer and fewer animals left in the forest. Until one day, a clever fox also brought a gift and went to visit the lion. When he arrived at the entrance of the cave, he noticed something suspicious. He saw many footprints going into the cave, but none coming out. This meant that no animal had ever returned. The fox stood at a distance and called out, "Brother Lion, how are you feeling?" The lion replied, "I am not feeling well at all. Why are you standing outside? Come inside." The fox said, "I see only footprints going in, but none coming out. You must have eaten all those animals. If I had not noticed these footprints, I might have become your food too." After saying that, the fox turned around and walked away. The news about the lion's trick spread quickly from one animal to another. From that day on, no small animals dared to go near the lion's cave. With no more animals to catch for food, the lion became weaker and eventually died inside the cave. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that wisdom and careful observation are more valuable than strength. We should not believe everything without thinking carefully, and we must use our minds before taking action. Otherwise, we may face danger like the small animals in this story. But if we use wisdom and careful observation to think deeply, we can escape danger like the fox and even help others as well. Therefore, children should learn from the fox by using wisdom and observation to evaluate real situations and avoid believing things without proper thought and consideration.